Christmas in July. Cheers to Christmas in July 2025. What is up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, you should definitely subscribe. It is officially July, which means it is Christmas for this girl. If you guys have been following me for a while, you might remember that in 2020, I started doing Christmas in July just because things were really crazy at the time with the pandemic and just everything going on in the world. I wanted to bring some light into my family and just into my circle. So I decided to start doing Christmas in July. And of course I posted on social media and shared it with you guys, and we were able to celebrate together. The first Christmas in July is honestly something that I think about every single year when July hits, and it was such a special time. My whole family rallied with me to celebrate Christmas in the middle of the summer. Like, I'm so crazy, but they still supported me. I have to give a huge shout out to my grandma. She unfortunately passed away last July. She fully supported me on the Christmas in July thing when I started. She let me throw a Christmas in July party at her house. We had a pool party with all of my family and it was so much fun. She made snacks for it. Me and my cousin baked candy cane cookies. Like, we just went so insane that first year, and it's something that I will never forget, and I'm so happy I have those vlogs. Over the past few years, ever since then, things have just been like so heavy in my personal life, and it feels like when July hits, everything happens. So I will say, I feel like there has not been a Christmas in July quite like that first one, but I wanted to make 2025 extra special, especially because of the fact that it's been a year since I lost my grandma. A lot of you guys know how close I was with her. I just felt like I needed to do this for her. So I am doing this Christmas in July in honor of my grandma, and I hope you guys will join me. I've already seen so many of you guys on Instagram and TikTok tagging me in your Christmas in July posts. It makes me so happy. I'm just so happy that we get to do this together and celebrate. With all that being said, I have my Clausometer mug from Elf. On the back, it says, "The best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear." And we all know I am like Buddy the Elf in my house. So I wanted to break this out for Christmas in July and have my tea out of it. Cheers to Christmas in July 2025. Hi, baby. You excited for Christmas? Are you laying on top of the bag? You're so cute. Did you miss the Christmas tree, baby? Okay, that's looking more like a bottom. Yeah. Wow, and now the sun's coming out. What a good day. Oh my God, there's so much fucking snow on the ground. All right, last section. Tree topper. Wow, it's been so long since I actually put up this tree too. All right, we'll have to finish flocking her later. Hey, Tundi. It's our favorite time of the year. There we have it. Oh, I should probably fix the top. Are you happy because it's Christmas? Other than the fact that we are celebrating Christmas in July on all of my social media platforms all month long, I also came on here to share with you guys that I am officially announcing the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. We hit 20K subscribers at the beginning of this year, and it was such a huge milestone for me. I still actually can't believe it happened, and we're still growing more and more every single day, and I'm so grateful for everyone on this journey, whether you found me yesterday or 10 years ago. I'm so grateful that you're here and that you decided to hit that subscribe button, or that you decided to come back for more videos. I have spent the past 6 months curating a 20K giveaway for my followers on here. You guys know I have a very special place in my heart for my YouTube family. I have loved growing on Instagram and TikTok and meeting new people on there. YouTube is day one, and I always will be posting on YouTube. I don't care. It will literally be like in the nursing home, I'll still be posting on YouTube. I just love documenting my life, and I'm gonna continue doing that. Short form content, unfortunately, is just what everyone is seeing right now, and not as many people are on YouTube watching YouTube vlogs anymore. People just don't have the attention span for it. But I do know I have some loyal ones that are always on here asking me when I'm gonna have a new video. If you are missing me on YouTube, just make sure to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, because I do post mini daily vlogs over there on short form content. So definitely go follow me. But with all that being said, I wanted to announce the 20K giveaway because I am so freaking grateful for you guys, and I've spent the past 6 months curating these gifts with just a little bit of me in them. Like, I wanted all of my favorite things. As I've gotten PR packages over the last 6 months, I've kept little pieces for you guys. I say you guys because there are multiple winners for this giveaway. Originally, I wanted to do 20 winners, but your girl is not a millionaire, so I unfortunately cannot make that happen yet. But I promise you, one day we are gonna have such a big giveaway on here, and I'm gonna be able to seriously just like give back in in that way to you guys. But for right now, I'm gonna do what I can. Bear with me. Let's get into it. Here we have the giveaway boxes. I wanted to make the giveaway prizes feel kind of like a PR box because I have been so lucky to start receiving some PR from brands that I love. I feel so grateful. So I kind of wanted to make it feel that way for you guys. The first prize that I'm gonna go over is this little one here in the cloud box. This I would say is like the second place winner. I kind of think like the other one is the bigger prize, but they're pretty similar, I will say. You are gonna be receiving your gift in this cloud box. Of course, it's gonna be wrapped and packaged safely, don't you worry. And inside we have some goodies. Of course, they are totally amberfied. They are all things you've probably seen on my channel before because I just wanted it to be very me, but also something that hopefully you can enjoy as well. And I also kept in mind that I have a variety of different people watching, so I tried to make this like gender neutral, but honestly, you know, I'm a girly girl, so you're gonna be getting some pink stuff. First things first, for the second tier prize, I threw in this Wicked friendship bracelet kit. Me and Timmy actually each had one of these as well, and we created a few little fun bracelets with this. So I definitely wanted to give one to you guys because I feel like this is just so cute. Even if you don't want to make bracelets, you should still keep the little charms and use them as keychains or something because they're honestly really cute. You're also going to be winning some Grace and Stella pink under eye patches. These are super cute. They look honestly more red when they're actually on your skin. Everything is better in pink, as they say. I am working with Grace and Stella on TikTok Shop to try to sell some of their products, and I have the chance to earn some commission on that. So go support your girl. Shop my TikTok shop if you want to support, but these are so good. I use them every single night. You will also be receiving a Wicked earring set. We have a variety of earrings in here, some studs and some dangly earrings. There is a Glinda, there's a pink stud, they have a G, there is a W with some emeralds on there. I of course bought a package for myself as well, so I'm gonna be twinning with you. And then I threw in a black Elphaba hair bow, super cute. I also threw in a Beekman 1802 milkshake body moisture spray. You guys might have noticed in some of my Get Ready With Me's, I've been using my own version of this. This is the coconut cream scent, and you guys are gonna be winning the honey and orange blossom scent. So I'm super excited to hear how you guys like that. And lastly, you're gonna be winning a little Ari by Ariana Grande travel spray perfume. So that is prize number one. You will be winning a little bit of like a pink Wicked amber special. And for the first place prize, as I'm gonna call it, this is the big boy, the ultimate PR box. I actually reused this Infinite Icon by Paris Hilton PR box that she gifted me back when her album came out, and it came with a bunch of Paris goodies in it. And because she sent me this, I have duplicates of a lot of Paris things, so you might see a couple things in here that you'll be twinning with me on. So of course there is a gorgeous, gorgeous picture of Mother Paris Hilton in here. I'm so thankful to my best friend Timmy for introducing me to Paris. Meeting her and just like experiencing her has changed my life. She really is just like such a light in my life. So of course I wanted to throw a little sprinkle of Paris in here for you guys. So first things first, you are going to be winning a bedazzled Paris Hilton water bottle. And following the Paris Hilton theme, you guys are gonna be winning an Infinite Icon CD. This album is so good. If you need uplifting music, this is the album for you. You will also be winning some Grace and Stella eye patches as well. I'm also throwing in a little pair of Wicked X Impress nails. These are super cute. They're kind of on the shorter side, so I figured that might be good in case you're not a long nail person. I got these in my Wicked PR box, and again, I just wanted to pass it along to you guys and give you a little bit of what I'm getting. Next up, you are gonna be winning a pink version of the Wicked bow. This one is the Glinda bow. Super cute. I honestly really want that for myself, but it's okay. You also will be winning the set of Wicked earrings. You're also gonna be winning a little Glinda doll. I actually have this same one sitting on my dresser. I love her, so we're gonna be twinning on that as well. I'm also throwing in this little Beekman 1802 pin. You guys might know I love Beekman 1802. I've been so lucky to receive PR from them, and I love the brand owners. I love the social media team. They honestly are such a good brand, and I just like love to support them. So I wanted to throw in a little Beekman 1802 pin. This has their signature goat. So cute. All of their products are made with goat milk. It's iconic. And with that being said, you're also going to be winning your own milkshake body moisturizer. Again, you'll be twinning with me. This one is lavender. You're also going to be winning a tube of Emco Beauty mascara. I also threw in an REM Beauty blush. This one is in the shade Strawberry Nebula. I'm honestly so excited about this. I hope you are too. And then lastly, you are going to be winning a travel size of Ari by Ariana Grande. So there we have it for the first two giveaways. These are US only for entries. I do apologize to my international babes, but don't fear. I have 3 additional giveaway prizes that are open to international entry. You also have a chance to win either a Dunkin' or a Starbucks gift card for $20, your coffee or tea royalty is gonna be on me, boo. Now let's talk about how you can enter. To enter this giveaway, all you're gonna have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and comment down below how you found my channel, when you found my channel, what video led you here, if you remember. And like I said, it doesn't matter if it was yesterday or 10 years ago. Everyone is welcome to enter. I do just ask that you be subscribed just because I really wanna give back to my subscribers and the people who support me and always comment and love on my content. I just really appreciate you guys so much. Also, be sure to leave either your email or your Instagram in the YouTube comment so that I can contact you if you win. And for extra entries, you can follow me over on Instagram and comment on any of my recent posts that you are subscribed and that you have entered the giveaway. And at the end of the month, I will be choosing a random winner for all 5 prizes. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see all of your comments and your entries, and I'm so excited to see who wins. And I hope that I get to see either a picture or a video of you when you receive it, because I just always love seeing your reactions to the giveaways. It's been a while since I've done a giveaway, but let me just tell you, this is not the only giveaway of the month. I definitely have a couple more up my sleeve, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, TikTok, subscribe on here, wherever you can find me. I'm kind of all over the place. And there we have it for the 20K giveaway. Before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. I love you so much. I'm so freaking grateful for every single one of you who has hit that subscribe button, or even if you don't have an account and you're just watching me, first of all, make an account and subscribe, girl, come on. But also, thank you so much anyway for your support no matter what. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Christmas in July. Good luck on the giveaway, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.